golden. Do you have a silver glove?
Hey Josh, let me see you.
Mom.
Hi. You are my gallant knight.
Yeah.
Oh, careful. What?
Where? I don't.
Everything's in the box, babe.
But I don't. But there's not another silver glove. Silly me, I left it on the TV.
Yes, you are silly. Don't hit me though. Be careful. Oh, oh. Are you a knight, Ben? Oh, oh, careful. Don't hit me. Ow, Ben, ow. No. Gentle. What?
Is there a silver shield?
I don't know. You tell me.
No!
Then get him his gold one.
No, this is silver.
Okay, then give him a gold one. Good job, Josh.